Now, one of the great features of the barn, besides the fantastically large beams, has got to be this cave. So this barn was built as a bank barn, and the bank that it's here has a couple of things to it. One, it has an actual limestone cliff that you can see here, but it also has built a stacked rock stone wall built up into it to give it the solid finished wall. Now in this barn, really the only things that have ever deteriorated that I can find are these big beams that terminate up against the stone wall. Over the years, the water's just run down them and rotted the ends out. It's the only rot in the barn, really. But down here on this ground floor, there's this fantastic stone work that works its way right into the cliff face. And then the people who built this barn took advantage of a huge sort of a cavity in this and made a cave out of this great barn. So this looks really a lot like a root cellar of some kind, or some kind of a food thing. I don't know what. It's pretty dark in here. And it's, let's see if we can get some light in there. No light. Okay. So it's this great root cellar, really. It's dripping right now from moisture. We've had rain the last couple of days, but it's a fantastic feature in this barn, the barn's cave. So there's an old wrecked steel door there. There's some steel grates over the windows, and the entrance of this is not in great shape. This column over here is basically a man killer, it looks like. A poorly built Jenga tower of stones, and I think I'm going to have to take that down. But it's a fantastic opening here to a really neat feature of this unbelievable barn.